Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Doomsday application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your Doomsday application and make sure that you're inside the game. From the main homepage, tap on the profile picture at the top left hand corner and this will open up your commander info option. Simply tap on your profile picture on the right hand side corner and you can now select from the list of profile pictures displayed on the screen. Select the picture you'd like to use as your profile picture and tap on use in order to change it to something else. And there you have successfully changed your profile picture on Doomsday. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.